Hey y'all, welcome back. In today's video, I'm showing you a brand new Shopify website I designed for a hair extension business called Elaine Extensions. I do make Shopify custom websites. I can create your own text-based logo, add your products, and create custom templates. Whether you're just getting started or want to upgrade your current site, this video is for you. Now let's talk about the brand vision. Elaine Extensions is designed for the modern beauty entrepreneur, someone who wants a soft, neutral, luxury aesthetic that still feels relatable and fresh. The brand uses calming tones like sand, nude, and soft black, perfect for attracting Gen Z customers. It's a clip-in hair extension brand built on simplicity and confidence. Think effortless installs, minimum glam, and clean design. Now, starting on Shopify homepage, I'll click online store and customize, and I'm going to go ahead and start designing the website. I always start at the header. I'll go ahead and click that, and I'll add like free shipping. This is just like a custom website example that I would make. I do make custom websites. If you already have a Shopify account, we can definitely work together. Link in the description for more information. So after that, I'll change the color, and then I will add the logo. So I do make custom logos with the custom Shopify websites. It will be text-based. And I will upload the logo straight from my desktop. And then once that image is uploaded, I will go ahead and click save or done. And then I do like to fix the pretty much the space in between that logo. I'll go ahead and make sure that the logo is centered, and I'll scroll down and pull the padding down just a little bit because it's like a lot. And then I'll center the logo, and then I'll click save. I will be adding 2 website banners that I did make myself. So I'm going to upload the first one, and I always adapt to image, and I will hide the text, and I turn down the shadow because we don't need that. And I made my own text on the banner, so I don't need Shopify's text. So we'll go back and click that, and we'll click the eye just to hide it like you see me doing right here. So I was trying to find it, y'all. Sometimes I'd be forgetting, but yeah, I'll go ahead and click the banner and look for the eyes right there. I'll hide it, and then I will add a second banner as well. Coming back to Shopify's dashboard, I'm going to go ahead and add the collection cover photos that I made myself. It's pretty much just based off a hair textured for the clip-ins. So I'll go ahead and name it, add collection, and add the picture straight from my desktop again. And then I'll click done. And then I'll repeat that process, but I'm only going to show you guys like once how to do it right here. After clicking online store and customize, I'll click add section, and I will add a collection list just so I can add the 3 collections I made. And I'll go ahead and upload the photos again straight from my desktop. I will make it like 2 columns and a swipe carousel for mobile layout. And then I'm going to go ahead and add the photos, and I do remove the word collections just because we don't need that. I will click add section again, and then I will go ahead and add a image banner just so I can upload the second banner that I did make in Canva, and I'm going to upload that straight from my desktop. And then I'm going to do the same thing, like adapt to image, make sure it fits properly. I'll hide all the buttons and text because we don't need that. I did want to add like a before and after with the extensions just to show like, before, after how it would look. And I did add like an extra photo as well, which will pretty much be like about the hair extension brand. Now this right here is part of the main menu. I will work on your main menu and your footer menu, like the about us, shop now, contact, shipping policy, if you have like a certain policy. So this is like a customized website. I do have pre-built Shopify websites, but custom is more customized. So if you have your own store, you want a certain look, you got your own products, or you just want to fully like have customization over your website, you want to click the link in my description. I will link it down below how much my Shopify custom websites do cost. They're always linked in the description and pinned in the comment section for more information. And now I'm just going to work on the email sign up, which is like the footer menu. Pretty much just to have that already set for the customer. But at the bottom, usually we'll do like the, shipping, return policy, stuff like that, just the most important questions. And right here, I did change the text just a little bit just to make it more like a hair extension brand. That text right there says hair extension. This is the finished product, y'all. Let me know in the comments what you think. I do love it. I do make the custom websites Shopify only. I'm a Shopify girly, but link in the description for more information. And you can even chat with me on my website with any questions you may have. It will be instant chat, or you can email me. See you guys in the next one. Bye.